Over the life of your central heating system, the insides of your system, insides of your radiators and pipework, generally start to degrade after a little while. It's almost like rusting. So one way of getting around this, and to help with any issues that may cause, we can fit a filter. Now these filters are a very, very simple contraption, just a plastic canister, effectively with a fairly strong magnet inside. So that magnet, just a cylindrical magnet, which then has a sheath and an extra gauze to catch any large bits of material. Now what I'm going to do is show you a little experiment just to prove how these work. Now in this glass here, I've got some water that I've actually taken out the bottom of a radiator. Now when your system's switched off, that muck will actually settle at the bottom of a radiator, which can cause the system to block. But when the pump starts in your system, it will start to move this water around. So I'll just give it a stir. That muck starts to become suspended in the water. And then effectively, as the water passes over this magnet and through this canister, this is what will happen. So if I put that in there, give it a couple of seconds, it will actually start to clear that material, which is actually magnetic, out of your water. Now what we do with these installed, these will stay on your system for the lifetime of your boiler, of your system in general. So it's always removing muck that could be coating pumps, could be coating motorised valves, could be sitting in radiators. When we come and service your boiler, we can easily remove this magnet, take it out, clean all the rubbish off of it, put it back in, and away we go again. So in the short time that I've had this sitting in the glass, it's already removed a substantial amount of the sediment from that glass. Now that's just from one radiator, so you can imagine what it must look like when you've got 8, 9, 10 plus radiators on your circuit. So you start to see how these can effectively prolong the life of your central heating system and components to make your system run a lot more efficiently and smoother for a longer amount of time. So fitting one of these is something you might be interested in. By all means, give us a call, we'll be happy to have a talk with you.